Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is word meaning. Dear students, let's see the board. Topic, word meaning, term annual 21, lecture number 20, schedule number also will be 20, and today's date. So dear student, let's start our today's topic. Topic, word meaning, wow to year. Wow for wardatun, meaning rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Ha for hirun, meaning cat, C-A-D, cat. Hamza for ma'un, meaning water, W-A-T-E-R, and ya for yadun, meaning hand, H-A-N-D, hand. The students, I repeat, wa for wardatun, meaning rose, Hamza for hirun, meaning cat, Hamza for ma'un, meaning water, ya for yadun, meaning hand. The students, now SW topic will be same topic. The students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home, abide by your parents, stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.